Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Mr. TECHFOX, and in this video I'm going to guide you through how to turn off auto suggestions while you are coding in VS Code. So this tutorial is going to be super duper helpful, and if it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here you can see that it is suggesting something, and that is totally automatically through AI. So we are gonna turn it off. To do that, normally we have to click on the gear icon on the bottom left corner, and here we'll get another option named settings. Open it, and now we have to type on the search bar AI features. So I'm typing it, AI features, and here you will get an option disable AI features. So normally check this box, and that's it. From now on, if we try to write something over here, there will be no suggestions at all. We'll get inline suggestions that is built in VS Code, but we'll not get any suggestions coming from AI. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.